I will show you how to create partition in our hard drive. Here, this is our drive. Before we will go with our main topic, I need to explain why we need to make the partition of our hard drive. As you can see here, this local disk C, all programs and also our operating system are installed here in C drive. Windows, whatever the programs or applications, the one we use, all installed in the drive C. So aside from programs or operating system, all your documents which is reside in here, documents, downloads, music, picture, videos, and desktop, all are reside also inside the drive C. So the main issue why we need to make a partition, because if our system will corrupt, of course our data possible will be affected. Why? Because if your operating system corrupted, so meaning you cannot open your computer. So what's the possible solution? So we need to format our system. So if we will format our system, all the data here in drive C has been deleted. So by this concern, we need to make a partition in order to store all our data or important documents into specific drives like this one. If we format our system, all the data here in C will be deleted. So if we have partition, even we will delete this one, our data still save in our storage. So this is the importance. So now I will show you how to create a partition. So first, just right click this one and go to manage, select the disk management. So here, as you can see, we have 99.95 gigabytes. So we need to make a partition. It's like a 35 gigabytes. So we need to shrink our volume. So now we have 114,409 MB or megabytes. So we will allocate at least 35 gigabytes. So I will show you how to calculate. One gigabyte equivalent to 1024 megabytes. Now we will allocate our new drive at least 35 gigabytes. So we'll just only times 35 once. So we need to allocate 35,840 megabytes. It's equivalent to 35 gigabytes. 35,840. So we'll type here 35,840. Then we will shrink. So now we have 35 gigabytes